Good morning, class. As we have completed our revision of English language, now today we are going to do revision 7 in our English literature notebook, that is from our reader's book, chapter 6, The Tiger's Trick, part 1. I hope you all remember the chapter summary of The Tiger's Trick, part 1. In Tiger's Trick chapter, the tiger was caught in a trap. That means the tiger was caught in a cage and he was asking for help so that someone could come and open the cage for him. But when he saw the villager, he asked the villager to open that trap. But the villager said no, because he was knowing that when he would open the trap, he would eat him up. The tiger said, "No, I would not eat you up, but I would serve you as a slave and forever be grateful to you." After seeing all this, the villager have got an idea to open that trap. The villager then opened the trap and the tiger said, "I want to eat you because I am very hungry." After listening to this, the villager was very disappointed. He asked to, first of all, he asked a hen, then he asked a buffalo, at last he asked a jackal. He said that he don't know anything, that he haven't understood anything of the villager. So this is the short summary of this chapter, The Tiger's Trick, part 1. Now let us begin with the revision of Tiger's Trick, part 1. We are going to do true and false and complete these similes from this chapter in today's revision. Now let us begin with the revision in our English language notebooks. Now today, as I have told you, that we are going to start with the revision 7 in our English literature notebook. That was from chapter 6, reader's book. Okay, now before starting revision 7, first of all, let us fill the index. In the index, put serial number, put today's date, revision 7, chapter 6, The Tiger's Trick, part 1 from reader book, page number 73. As I have counted my page number from 73, you have to write your own copy's page number. Don't copy mine only. Count your number of page from which you are starting in your notebook and write that only. After that, after completing the index, turn to a new page. In the new page, put today's date, classwork, revision 7, chapter 6, reader's book, The Tiger's Trick, part 1. Now, you have to write all these headings using black pen only. Don't you write it with blue pen. After putting the heading, let us move to questions. First question is, write T for true and F for false for these statements. In the blanks given below the headings, after the sentences, you have to write whether the following sentences are true or whether they are false. A1 is, the villager was a wealthy man. You have to tell whether this sentence is true or whether it is false. You have to write it over here. B1 is, the villager felt sad for the tiger. Write true or false over here. C1 is, the villager gave the tiger some food. Again you have to write true or false. C1 is, the tree, the buffalo and the red hen did not feel sorry for the villager because they have already felt the same. So why did they feel sorry? You have to write whether this statement is true or whether it is false. After completing this first exercise, you have to form a line, small line at the end of this, which will show that it has ended. Now and move to second one. Second is, now complete the similes with words from the box. I have given you here some of the words: a rock, butter, gold, snow, a fox. I have given you some of the options over here. You have to fill these options in the blanks given below. What is as white as? First one. B1 is as soft as, C1 is as solid as dash, D1 is as shiny as dash, E1 is as clever as dash. After completing this exercise, form a line. Now let us go to a revision of this. Revision 7 once again. First one is write T for true and F for false for these statements. A1 is the villager was a wealthy man dash. B1 is the villager felt sad for the tiger dash. C1 is the villager gave the tiger some food dash. D1 is the tree, the buffalo and the red hen did not feel sorry for the villager. Again put a dash over here. In all these blanks you have to fill true and false, and after completing this exercise form a small line at the end of this question 1 and move to question 2. Question 2 is, now complete the similes with the words from the box. A rock, butter, gold, snow, a fox. You have to write the heading using black pen, as earlier you have also done this, and all the options which I have given you have to copy this in your notebooks using black pen only. A1 is as white as dash, B1 is as soft as dash, C1 is as solid as dash, D1 is as shiny as dash, E1 is as clever as dash. At the end you have to form a line. Now before starting the revision in your notebook, you have to copy all the statements which I have written in your notebooks. That means you have to copy all the questions in your notebooks also. Don't just write only answers. Now, after completing revision 7, homework for you all is to, tomorrow I am going to take the revision of chapter 7 haircut, back exercises from your course book plus exercises of chapter 7, that is haircut, from your workbook also. You have to learn the back exercises of chapter 7, that is from course book, and the workbook exercises also. Tomorrow I am going to take revision of chapter 7 haircut exercises from both course book and your workbook also. So you have to learn both the things thoroughly. Thank you.